Okay, there is no issue normally.
Okay.
So in today's class, we'll discuss on the warehouse process type. What is warehouse process type, guys? So this is the warehouse layout. Okay, this is the warehouse layout, and this is my high racks. This is one of the storage type, right? This is one of the storage type where I'll store the some kind of pallets coming from the vendor. I'll store in the high racks, and this is the storage type for the investigation. What type of investigation? Huh? What type of investigation, guys? Suppose any kind of products either in the high racks or any other storage type. I would like to check the quality of the product. Once I receive the product, I have some kind of issues. I have some kind of doubts. I want to check the quality of the product. Or else this product is damaged. Something, the product is damaged. Normally, the product is available in the high racks. Okay, just think that this is the product available in the high racks. This product got damaged. Okay, this product got damaged. Now what we should do, tell me, guys. And if I don't do any action, what will happen? This is the raw material. This is the raw material. Now I would like to know this is damaged. From your side, you are a warehouse operator or supervisor. From your side, what action you should take? If you don't take any action, what is the other issues you will get?
We will do return process.
No. Return process is the last thing, okay, you should tell actually. And who will tell that return process?
MM, I think.
Whatever it may be, okay. The warehouse supervisor will not tell that word, or else any knowledgeable EWM or warehouse person, they will not go to final step. There's a step, there's a sequence of steps you need to process, you need to follow every time. Not only this way, WPT or not only some other thing. Any activity you need to follow the sequence of steps.
Yeah.
You want to return to vendor? It's a long process again. You need to get approval, you need to get a written PO, you need to create a one more delivery, outbound delivery, and with respect to outbound delivery, you need to process it. It's not something like you can do in the dummy system. In the real system, it will take some time. Going for approvals, creating delivery, creating PO, creating delivery, movements, it will take some time. Up to that time, if this product was used by some other person in the warehouse, up to that time, you want to return to vendor, but it is taking some 2 days time to complete the process. Up to that time, will you keep the stock here only? What will happen if you keep the stock here only?
It will occupy the space, which it will occupy the space. The product
With the space, that's it.
It will be consumed in production or it will be consumed in any other area.
That is the exact answer I was expecting. This is the raw material. Space doesn't matter for me, but end of the day, productions require some raw materials. With the production requirement, if they keep some production requirement, automatically this product will move to production. This is raw material, they'll move to production, right? This is the raw material.
Yes, yes.
In production, what will happen? They'll produce the finished goods by consuming the raw materials. Now, if you don't take any action for this material, the pallet, what will happen? It will go to production area to consume this material. You know this product is damaged. You know this product is damaged. If this go to production area, what will happen? The finished good will be fully damaged. So there will be too much of loss for the company because they manufactured the full finished product with the dummy with the one of the expired product. Now what we should do? When the warehouse operator saws this activity, this is damaged, what you should do, guys? Tell me.
Block the stock.
We need to block the stock. What do you mean by block the stock? What do you mean by block the stock?
It should not. It should not be accessed for production. That's all.
It should not be accessed for anything actually. So for that purpose, we have one storage type called investigation. Example I am telling. We have a storage type called investigation storage type. Investigation storage type, or else I will call it as blocked storage type. Blocked or investigation, okay. Blocked storage type. What I will be doing? I need to move this pallet physically to here. I need to move this pallet physically to here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Means what? I am moving from one storage type to other storage type. Other storage type. So physically I am moving the stock. How can I move physically here to here? Do I need some documents to create to move from here to here, or else directly I can move?
Document should be needed.
What document?
Transfer posting.
Transfer posting. This is not MM. What we need, guys? To move stock from here, what we need?
Warehouse task.
We need a
You
task.
need a warehouse task. You need a warehouse task. You need a warehouse task to move from one place to other place in the warehouse. If you are moving in the warehouse, one storage type to other storage type, warehouse task is required. But warehouse task, which activity you are doing, what explains that? In warehouse task, we have a field called activity because warehouse task will be created based on the activity. Based on the activity. From where the activity will come. You are doing internal movement. Internally, you are moving goods from high racks to blocked storage type. Now, to move this physically, you need some activity. Internally, you are moving. Internal movement is called activity. Now, this activity from where it will come? That will come from warehouse process type. That will come from warehouse process type. Warehouse to process type will be linked to one activity. Remember carefully, guys. WPT is having one activity. If you are doing any activity in the warehouse, a different WPTs will trigger based on the activity which you are doing. Now, a different example I am telling. Physical movement. Physical movement in the warehouse. Controlled by what, guys? Controlled by WPT. Physically, if you are moving the goods one place to other place, or else you are moving from here to customer, directly staging area to from there to customer, what will control? It will be controlled by WPT, warehouse process type. Suppose I don't want to move the goods physically. I don't have too many storage types in my warehouse. It's my very small storage type I have. I have very small storage type I have. Very small storage type I have. I don't have this many storage types. I have only one storage type. I have only this storage type. Now tell me guys, this port is damaged. How can I, what actions I can do so that I cannot use this product for the production? I cannot automatically system will use for production, right? If I don't do some action. Now I need to do something so that the product should not be going to production area. What I can do guys?
Blocking the
Block the
storage
pin.
bin.
Sorry.
Block the storage bin, sir.
In this storage bin there are other products also. How can I block it? Or else same product I have multiple pallets are there. How can I block it? If you block it, everything will get blocked. Not only this product. Everything will get blocked. It's a good answer. Okay, try in the same way, but not exact answer for now. You can try. In this
Posting
bin,
change moment, right? I mean, move to
yes, that was
damage.
right. You can use a posting change. What is posting change, guys? What is posting change? You have normally three type of stocks in the warehouse. Generally, okay, unrestricted stock, quality stock, and blocked stock. There are three stock types generally. Okay, in SAP, you need to learn these three. Okay, stock types. What is mean by unrestricted? What do you mean by unrestricted? Unrestricted means there is no restriction to use the stock. There is no restriction to use the stock. Any person can come and any person can take the stock. Based on the approvals, based on the documents, he can take the stock, how much ever he want. So there is no restriction. There is no product restriction. He can take the stock. Quality stock. What is meant by quality stock? Quality stock tells that in the warehouse, this is stock available for one under quality. This is under quality. There is some stock, okay, and it's under quality. And quality stock cannot be used for any other purpose. Quality stock cannot be used for any other purpose except quality inspection. Except quality inspection. Now, this quality stock will be managed by different quality inspection team. Their activity is what? They'll do all the quality inspection for the product. And if it is good, quality is good, what they will do guys? If the quality is good, what they will do? If the quality is good, what they will do? They will
Then
move
move to
the stock
unrestricted.
to unrestricted stock. They will move the stock to unrestricted stock. If the quality is bad, what they will do?
Move to block.
They will move to blocked
Move
stock.
to damage or
Yes, you're right. So we don't have a big warehouse to control this activity. We don't have a big warehouse to control these activities. We have only one storage type. This is small warehouse type, which will be controlled by only one storage type. Okay. Now, unrestricted stock, we'll call stock type as F2 stock type. Unrestricted stock, we'll call it F2 stock type. Quality stock, we'll call it as Q4 stock types. Q4 is the quality. Blocked stock normally we'll call it as S6. Example I'm telling, okay? Blocked stock S6. F2, Q4, S6. Remember these three. F2, Q4, S6. Now, I don't want to move the goods physically from one storage type to the storage type because I don't have other storage types. What I should do now? In the same storage type, for the respect to pallet, I need to change the stock type. From this, just this is understated F2. I need to change it to quality inspection Q4. So system In the production area, when they have some production requirement, they will take only F2 products, unrestricted products only. They will not bother about other products which is having quality inspection or blocked stock. They will bother about only the stock which is having unrestricted stock. They will take only unrestricted stock. They will not touch even all these this kind of stocks. So in the respect to bin, for the respect to pallet, I'm going to change the stock type. What is this, guys? What do we call this one? This is called as logical movement. This is called as logical movement. Logical movement means what, guys? Only the system we are changing, not physically. The system we are changing. This is called logical movement. Logical movement in the warehouse. Controlled by what, guys? Controlled by WPT. Controlled by WPT. Okay. Now what you understand, guys? Physical plus logical movements. Physical plus logical movements. Physical plus logical movements in the warehouse. Controlled by WPT. Controlled by WPT. Warehouse process type. Physical plus logical movements in the warehouse. So if you have knowledge on MM side, anyone, if you have knowledge on MM side, if you are doing any movements, if you are doing any internal movements, or if you are doing any kind of transfers, what is the base, guys? What is very important? To
Movement
explain.
type.
Okay, movement type. Movement type is very important in the MM part. What is movement type, guys? Anyone? What is movement type?
Movement type is a 3-digit code. Based on the movement type, the goods movement are controlled. For example, 101 means goods shipped for a purchase order.
3-digit numeric code.
See, always don't tell definitions. Okay, I'm telling you, don't tell the definitions. Tell the example or the scenario. Okay, what is movement type means? Because three is movement type. Everyone knows. But if you have 1 year experience, if you have 6 months of experience, yeah, that is a good answer. I can tell that. But if you have more than 4 years, 5 years of experience, telling it's a three-digit movement type, you know. Expecting some more answers from that. Okay, as an entry point of view. Okay, what type of movement you are doing? What type of movement that is? What do you mean by that is, guys? If you are receiving the stock from the vendor, if you are receiving the stock from the plant, if you are receiving the stock from the customer returns. So there are a lot of ways that you will receive the stock, right? So this is the warehouse. There are a lot of ways you will receive the stock. From a lot of different people you will receive the stock. What are the different people you will receive the stock, guys? Who are the different people that will receive the stock to the warehouse? What are the different ways? Tell me the ways, guys. What are the different ways that we will receive the stock to the plant? Just think this is a full plant. What are the ways we will receive the stock to the plant? Tell me.
First case, we will receive from vendor. Second case,
We will receive from the vendor as per the agreement. Okay, tell me next.
second one, we will receive stock from production order.
Production order.
We will receive finished goods.
Yeah, I agree with you. Production order, that's fine. Okay, because as internal of the warehouse. Okay, now we are discussing about this part. Okay.
Customer also.
Customer returns. Customer returns. When you send some goods to the customer found out something is damaged, what he will do? He'll send the customer returns. He'll send the returns to the plant. Now in this case also, the goods will come to the respective plant. Any other thing? Any other?
Stock transfer order.
Stock transfer order. What is stock transfer order? Suppose this is just a plant. with no production. And nearby plant, we have a plant with production. So there some production activities are going on, and the warehouse is full there, storage is full there. What they will do? They cannot keep some wherever they want. What they should do? They need to find out some stock, some space available in the next to the warehouse if it is nearby. If the place is available, storage is available, then what they should do? They need to do the STO process, stock transfer order process, to move the pallet from that warehouse to that plant to this plant. Okay, from once you receive to this plant, you will have same process, staging area. From there, you will move the stock to the respective storage types. Now you have three things now. We have three things now. Okay, receiving the product from the vendor, receiving the product from the vendor, receiving the product from the customer, and receiving the product from the plant. Receiving the product from the plant. Now tell me, guys, you have three scenarios now. Okay, you have three scenarios now. You have three scenarios now. Yes, storage types. I have three storage types: high racks, returns, and finished storage type. I have three storage types now. Now tell me, guys, I am receiving three different kind of inbounds. I'm receiving three different kind of inbounds now. You know that. Okay, three different kind of inbounds I am receiving. Tell me one by one, guys. First, vendor. I am receiving the stock from the vendor. If I am receiving the stock from the vendor, where the stock should go? Where the stock should go? If I'm receiving from the vendor, stock from the vendor, where the stock should
If
go?
it is other than subcon vendor, it should go to high racks.
If it is, I didn't get you. If it is,
If it is not if you're not receiving the stocks from the subcon vendor, then we can consider it as a finished or raw materials. Then it should go to high racks,
what do you mean by subcon vendor?
where we can get the finished product. So if we receive a finished product, then we can go store in a finished storage.
Normally, subcontracting vendor, okay, he will send the semi-finished products generally in the
Finished,
plant.
yeah, finished.
Okay, finished products, we will have the logos, we'll do everything, and the other thing is finished product. Okay.
Okay.
Don't go to that way. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me,
Okay.
you're receiving only the raw materials, something. Okay, from the vendor. Now tell me, if you are receiving the goods to the plant, the stock should be moved to which storage type?
High rack storage type.
You should go to the high rack storage type. You should go to the high racks storage type. You should go to the, this product is coming, you should go to the high racks storage type. Now, other way, if you are receiving the stock from the customer has sent back your goods. Customer has sent back your goods. Now tell me, the stock should go to which place? Customer has sent back the goods which you sent, the finished goods. The finished goods which you sent to customer, it is having some issue. The customer has sent back that 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 pallet or that product. Now this should go to which location or which storage type?
Customer returns.
Customer returns. So before going to this place, before going to this activity, tell me, guys, if the customer is sending back the goods to you, do we need some document?
Yes, we
What
need
document? What document?
like we need to create a once, I mean, against sales order, which sales order this we have sent this product to the customer, that document we made it. So
Okay.
while sending, right, he will send any I mean, kind of document. So where we can find in that where we can find the sales order I mean, some reference number.
Okay. Yes. You mean to say with respect to sales order where this good was sent to the customer, with respect to the sales order, you need to create a returns order. You need to create a returns order. That returns order will create inbound delivery. The returns order will create a inbound delivery because we are getting the returns from the customer. That inbound delivery, not tell me, that inbound delivery will have what kind of document types? Document type, item type. Yesterday's class we discussed document type, item type. We have two scenarios now, guys. We have two scenarios now. I'm mentioning it here. We have two scenarios now here. Vendor. Okay, I'm mentioning vendor. So in this case, customer returns. Finish reports from the STO, other plant. Okay, now tell me, guys. In this case, what kind of document it will create? In this case, what kind of document it will create? In this case, what kind of document it will create? From the MM system, ECC system, or S4 system, whatever it may be, other system, except in EWM system, what kind of document it will create? What kind of document it will create from the ECC system?
Good receipt.
Good receipt. What is good receipt?
I think for vendor INV we can say.
Okay, for vendor there will be one document type it will create from the ECC, one document type and one item type will be there, and this one. I need to tell the document type. Just identify that. Do you have same document type for this one, this one, this one?
No, it will be different.
It will be different document types. Why different document types, guys? Why we have different document types here? Vendor inbound have different document type. Customer returns have one more document type. Finished goods have one more document type. Why? Because when you create the purchase order, you would select what kind of document you are creating, right? PO is the base, right?
Yeah.
PO is the base for everything, right? When you create a PO, purchase order. What you will select normally? What they will select? They will select here standard PO, STO, like that they will select, na?
Yes.
So based on that, this document types will be changing, right? What document types?
Inbound delivery.
This one will be changing, right? Based on the document which you create, this item category, this document type, everything will be changing. Different document types will have different document header document type plus item type will be there. So based on that, EWM will have different document types, item types. In the EWM, what document will create, guys? In the EWM, what document type it will create? What item types it will create? For this inbound, a different document type, different item type. For this customer returns inbound, a different document type and different item type. For finished goods, a different document type and different item type will be there. Yes, you agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, guys. Now this customer returns inbound. The pallet should go to which location? This should go to which location? The customer returns part you are getting. This will go to which location?
Customer return.
You should go to the